Today's our topic is lockout and tagout. Here we will discuss what is lockout and tagout and how it works. So, if we go into introduction, here is the introduction. Approximately 3 million workers, service equipment, and face the greatest risk of injury if lockout tagout is not properly implemented. So, as per introduction, you are thinking about the lockout tagout. What is lockout tagout, and we will discuss here what is lockout and tagout. Lockout tagout refers to specific practices and procedure to safeguard employees from the unexpected energization or startup of machinery and equipment or the release of hazardous energy during service or maintenance activity. This required that a designated individual turns off and disconnects the machinery or equipment from its energy source before performing service or maintenance, and that the authorized employee either lock or tag the energy isolating device to prevent the release of hazardous energy and take steps to verify that the energy has been isolated effectively. So, the next one is the fatal five main causes of logout tag out injuries. The first one is failure to stop equipment, failure to disconnect from power source, failure to dissipate, bleed, neutralize residual energy. The next one is accidental restarting of equipment, failure to clear work area before restarting. Responsibilities: authorized person, one who locks out machine or equipment in order to perform the servicing or maintenance on that machine or equipment, is called authorized employee. Affected employees, one whose job requires him or her to operate or use a machine or equipment on which servicing or maintenance is being performed under lockout, or whose job requires him or her to work in an area in which such servicing or maintenance is being performed. Definition: here is the definition of lockout device. Energy isolating device. It is called an energy isolating device, a mechanical device that physically prevents the transmission or release of energy. Tagging system. What is tagging system? Identification tag provides in the valve together with the purpose with the lock to identify the user of tag, the purpose, duration of activities, contact number or location, etc. Then energy control procedure. Safety programs adopted by the employer that includes energy control procedure plus provisions for inspecting the procedure and training employees for lockout and tagout. Here you can see the pictorial uh, explanation. Hazardous energy source found in the workplace. What type of hazardous energy source found in the workplace? The first one is electrical, which is generated or static. Then the mechanical, which may be transitional, rotational. And third one is thermal, which may be machines or equipment, chemical reactions, and potential. In potential, it can be the pressure, then the hydraulic pressure, pneumatic pressure, vacuum, then the spring, gravity. These are the main sources of energy at workplace. Now let's move to types of lockout devices. There are certain types of lockout devices. The first one is ball valve lockout. Second one is plug locks. Third one is gate valve lock. These are the different locks, and these are used in different places in different manner. We will discuss it in another video. We will leave it because it will be our video will be very long, so we will not go deeper inside that tags. Another one is group lock out hasp. This is major and this is commonly used at sites. Lockout procedure. Now we'll move to lockout procedure. What is the lockout procedure? Um, First one is inform the operators that power is being disconnected. Preparation for shutdowns, equipment shutdown, then equipment isolation, application of lockout devices, control of stored energy, equipment isolation, verification, periodic inspection of lockout, tagout, and after this one, when you have finished your work, the removal of lockout. Ensure equipment is safe to operate. Safeguard all employees. Remove lockout, tagout device except in emergencies. Each device must be removed by the person who put it on. Last person to take off lock. Follow checklist. Then temporary reactivating equipment. Remove unnecessary tools from the work area and make sure everyone is clear of the equipment. Remove lockout, tagout devices and re-energize the system. As soon as the energy is no longer needed, isolate the equipment and reapply lockout, tagout using the procedure. Special situations. Servicing lasts longer than one shift. Contractor are performing services or maintenance at your workplace. Worker who applied lock is not available. Now we'll move to summary. What is the summary? And we'll wind up here. Never attempt lockout tagout procedure unless you have been trained and certified by your employer under an approved energy control program. Never loan or share your lock combination or key with anybody else. Always be sure all lockout tagout devices are compatible with the environment in which they will be used. For example, corrosive, homemade, etc. So this one was an information and explanation of Lotto. We will talk in. Will come with another topic. See you later.